People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope the special finds you all the best of health and one health over health. Now, my viewers and subscribers, so voice note I'll go around with Spice Baby Father, Lal, Nicholas, you know what I mean? I'm going to talk up some things there. I'm going to tell you, Channel, these are all allegations, you know what I mean, and allegedly. But when I say, Baby Sham name is pertaining to the kid, you know what I mean? And I say, boy, it's not fair, you know? John no star, but you don't know, you know? After the break, I'm going to hear what I must say, and then I just give my little piece again and cues. You see it? Love you. So far.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place and it's the dog gone away.
That's why I tell people this all the time. If I'm talking, me will talk everything. Say no make sense to me talk any at all. You get me? I'm not gonna talk, I'm not gonna hold back because at the end of the day I'm not gonna spare no one's feelings. You understand me? So it's best I don't talk because I know who I will feel the hurt of all this. No allegations are out there now that my son is not mine. Yeah. Yeah. Right. I'm gonna tell you something. I never share this with nobody else. So if this comes out, it's from my son was 4 months, a photo in the house with a little baby, newborn baby too. And it was Sham, Baby Sham, son. And I was going through the door and I see the baby. Because she told me that Sham and her brother, right? Her brother, musical brother, you know, everybody there, my father, my brother, my sister, whatever, yeah. Anyways, so when I found the pic, I called her in the room and I was looking at the pic and I was looking at my son lying down. I'm like, damn, they look alike. I called her and I said, yo, Sham, my father. And yo, that woman, I asked her. She cried, I'm evil, you're wicked, and how could you even say that? And she bawled. She danced the woman a ball. Till me even start feel bad. And you know what happened? When all these allegations come out and somebody will say, Ray, they must say whatever, I say, you know what I mean? Anybody to be father must Carter. This youth, which used to talk before me. The girl said, and then the girl said to me, no, he said when he talk, who's the baby daddy, the place is gonna turn upside down. And when she said that, my exact word to her was, bumbo clot. That's what I said. I said, yo, send me a picture of Sham's son, let me see what he looks like. She sent me a video with that kid and I was looking at my son. You hear me? Send me a video with Elijah. When I was looking at Elijah, I was looking at my son. And I was like, damn, that shit hurt me, yo. I cried, like, my cries to me I was freaking vomit, yo. And the worst part about it is that I love this kid so much. I would die for this kid. That's how much I love him. And this, even if I do a DNA and it comes back that he's not my son, he's my son. You know what I mean? I can't stop loving him because unconditional love is not something you turn off. You can't. This is not like he's a girlfriend. I'm going to say, hey, this is a kid that peed in my mouth. You understand me? These are the things, I mean, sick, him pissing in my mouth, him shit up all over me, him vomit in my face, all of these things. Me and him. You know the most hurtful thing when the man called me, and I talk, the man said, Daddy, I see everything that's going on the internet and this guy talking some things about my mom that I don't like. Can you stop it? And I said, Nicholas, I tried to stop it, but this is your mom, cousin or friend or whatever she told me he was. I can't help it. I can't do nothing. Yeah. She didn't shout out, she them from nothing. She make them see everything. Because make them see that and telling them that I'm the one doing that. That is why my son could have called me and asked me if me can stop it. Tell me? And when the man then reached the point of the argument, the man said to me, Daddy, they say that I'm a jacket. Yeah, and when he said that to me, I started to cry. And I said to him, yeah, I called him Papi. I said, Papi, if you are a jacket, you are the jacket that I'm gonna wear. Okay? I'm gonna wear this jacket until it torn up. Till it can't fit no more. I'm telling him, so listen, whether or not I'm your biological father, I'm your dad. And nothing in this world will ever change that. I will never stop loving you. And I will always be your dad. Nothing can stop that. Everything that we say we was going to do, we're going to do it. And I'm not going to leave you alone to go through this by yourself. I'm going to go through this with you. We're going to do this together, all right? I promise you that. And all he's saying, he's just saying, yes, Dad. Listen, I love him, like, trust me, I love him. I love him. It's like, my auntie them always tell me this all the time, so I'm not to say this, but I love him more than all my kids. And my auntie them tell me, so they knew all along that he wasn't mine. But they know the love I have for him, they didn't want to tell me. And they say they love him, and they can't stop loving him either. And them say if him a jacket, it was a way for wear him. Because them can't stop loving him, they can't change from loving him. If they're only from baby, we basically grow him. So it's like, if I do this DNA and it comes back and I'm not his father, I'm like, I tell him that already. I'm like, in 5 years you'll be 18 and I'll be waiting on you. I'm going to do it. She said I can do one. For a peace of mind, I'm going to do it. My auntie them say me not to do it. But you know why I'm going to do it? I'm going to do it because she talk big and bold and say I must do it. And I wasn't the one that said this kid wasn't mine. Remember, I've never said that. Plans me do DNA for none of my youth them. None of, which one? Ty? I want to do DNA on both of them. She wasn't faithful at no point in time during the relationship. Alright, next thing on drama accusation, she lied to me. When she had my son in Atlanta, she lied to me and told me that she can't give my last name because I wasn't there to sign his birth certificate. No. She could have given him name Lal. My name couldn't be on the birth certificate. That's the thing. She gave me name Hamilton. Yeah, Nicholas Orlando Lal. She used my name as a middle name. Yes, and guess what? You want to know who is his baby father, who his godfather is? Sham and godfather. Of course they know. Then listen, they have to know. When she was pregnant, she and Sham have a big falling out and she and Sham never talk. For years, they never talk for about a year. They never talk. Trying to beg her not to about that kid. Yeah. Both kids she wanted to abort. Both of them. I just don't talk these things. My mother was dead and gone, beg her. My mother tells her, have the baby and can't come give me with a care of. She never want to have no picnic. She don't think about career. So that's why you see she just do her thing and me just always have my picnic up. There was times when she go up on the road and the youth them said to me, say, yo, daddy don't go, make she alone go on. Do you understand me? When them hungry and them go to her and they go tell her no papa and not even food, she don't want to cook with them. But I just don't talk these things. I have to take her freaking breasts out and hold the baby and if the baby suck that. She don't even want to do that. I think she was going through that with Nicholas, but I don't think that was happening with Ty because with Ty, she was around me. And like she had the baby today, come out of the hospital, she got on the road. Left the baby, got on. I mean, if you have the baby, I take care of the baby. I think so. 8.5 hours, yeah. No, but that's the thing. I'm going to show you something. This woman will tear me down and do everything, and guess what? Now, she'll reach out for me to deal with paperwork for my daughter to get back her passport. And you know, if you find me all along, you can use the picture them, I can get phone call to them now because she need me to do something now. In them documents and send back to her, I guarantee you I'm not hear from them again. Only one, Ty need passport. She don't need me to renew Nicholas' passport. And she knew what she was doing. That's why I didn't think I'm going to start thinking, oh no. Why she did that at that time, you know? Yeah. last name he have. He was born here, so whatever benefit he's supposed to get, him, I will get it. Because, and that even make it better. Let me tell you something. None of them kids are not live here, so. So the benefits are there, so now benefit them. You understand me? So, you know, but it is what it is, and his life, you understand me? And every day, you know, you better know the truth and know who his father is. Yeah, listen, I would like for him to know him father. If I know me him daddy, know your father. You have a father and you have a daddy. Yo, lucky you. It work out that way there. You understand me? So, go on to your father, and when you're ready, you come find your daddy. Simple. You understand? Me not, honestly, if it's like that, me already accept that already. So, me cry over that already. Me never cry over that already of him. I will never stop loving him. And I will never see any difference. Sometimes the man come to me and I'm like, Daddy, I'm your only son. Why I don't have your name? Daddy, why my sisters have your hair and I don't have it? He was asking me these questions all along, and I'm like, yo, Papi, have your mother here? Because when I look upon them things, it's like, I'm so blinded by loving him, when I pray them things. Yeah. So people don't know still, but for the same reason why I'm saying, when you hear him say him do it, that is the reason why he did it. Notice everybody where used to their own art, they use one word. One word. And that one word is the reason why everybody and anybody will say shit. That one word. You hear that word so much, it represents her face. That one word. It starts with a U. And it's finished with a L. You know the word, right? No, it's called.
Yeah, yeah, when Nicholas said, brother, I say, boy, I'm talk, I feel it. I just feel a little bit soft touch with, you know, emotional, you know. And I said, John was there. This brother I got through a lot, you know. I watch, I'm a witness and see Spice beat him down to the ground. Make him feel like he's a nobody, nothing, dirt. Worthless father, daddy. I mean, I like them things because I'm a dad. See, I'm a dad, I have 3 different baby mother. Big on baby mother them, but you know. We go through some things. More time, I feel like I'm not a child, I feel like I'm the worst daddy, so I know how it feel. You see me? Even though sometimes I can do better, to be honest. But sometimes I go through my mood and emotion and depression feel, you know. But anyway, brother said, boy, you know, him have a feeling that the child is not his, but him never says so. The RT boss first come out and say it. See, but the man said, I hear it before because him auntie them tell him that them know son of him, but them never want to tell him. Because him know how him love and adored, cherish that little boy, you know. The man said, you thought piss on him, shit him up. You know what I mean? Pissing on him face. And that's a fatherly bond with a child. You see me? That happens to enough parents. Especially when they are changing, you see me? And so I have some viewers and subscribers. Now I'm feeling for the general is strong still. You know? And the man said, boy, one time him see all the picture in the jar. And so I express, I say, a Baby Sham youth, you know, and I said, wow, them favor, but him never take it for nothing. All my viewers and subscribers when you hear the man talk. Now him say everything will tie up because, you know, boy, oh boy, wicked. And if all of this turns out to be true, I said, John will star, Spice wicked. If all of this turns out to be true, factual, Spice wicked. And a son of a man staying and enough man I want jacket out there, you know? I mean I do the same thing like him too. If me hear a hint with my child and say, oh, a jacket. Me I go do it, me I go want to do a DNA. Me I go want to do a DNA. Me I go want to do a DNA. If me ever hear that come out or a hint, You know what I mean? So I can't blame him for saying I do DNA. Nobody can blame him. He might do everything correctly by law. See? Yo, wicked man. Feel for the brother man. I must say, stay the man down. The man couldn't speak to him youth them more time. And no, you know? Black youth them from him. I hear the man say, 5 more years left in turn 18, then he might come out and know the truth. Yo, me know people in England, her mother, all by herself, because what? She did the same thing. I hide the picture them from the father. Tell the picture them bad things about the father, paint a bad picture about the father. And you them believe. Real life story I tell about you. See? The man say how much years he miss out time with them life. Big man, bigger than me in age. You see me? And when the youth them get big and find out the truth, I move out left the mother, she a ball. You see me? Because I grew up and them up sense and them remember when them look and say, okay, this and that and so forth, and them that couldn't add up and this and that add up. You see me, my viewers and subscribers? Wicked man. I don't like when women do them things there. I don't like when man do them things to woman. And woman do them things to man. Because at the end of the day, the child will suffer. It's the child who are going to be suffering and facing that embarrassment and humiliation out in the public, whether in a school or whatever. Zane. Next thing again, real story with Virgin. Have a baby mother outside. And she pressure the man a girl, much money a week for. And she said, oh, she want more money. And bring the man got child support. I know what the judge do, the judge more cuss about it than me. The judge said, no, what this man is doing, the man is a dad, good dad. Enough dad now do that. I give what I get. Alright, the judge said, you're getting more than what you should be getting. So like say she get £50 a week or whatever. The judge bring it down to £10. You see me? That's like a rough estimation. See? And she regret everything now. Shave like a dog. But all I can say to Nicholas, you know, stay strong, brother. And just do the right thing, no matter what they draw you out. You see me, I make you be the bigger person. You know what I mean? And do the things rightly, by law, use a lawyer, get a DNA. Yeah man. Because woman wicked, and man wicked too. As I say, if all of this turns out to be true, Spice lose her for you. You see me? Yeah man, I have a family member man, my own youth man, our partner man. Get a jacket from Baby Small. When I filed for Africa America, I saw him find out. So I feel him pick me. I think the girl was 12 at the time or so. Same thing with my uncle, my big cousin. You know when I'm music video them too. I saw him find out I don't feel him pick me. File him come through and him to do DNA test and all them things to America. Two son of him and the daddy. And I oh boy. And I'm late 30s, I find out that I need a late 30s. But all well I'll say, I'm going to be the father, same way the daddy. But I think the youth needs to know his right dad. And the youth look like Sham, I'm not telling a lie. Yeah man, the youth look like Sham, man, I'm not telling a lie. You see me? The viewers and subscribers, it's deep and it's sticky and, you know, unless I try to speak fairly, I'll be going to please like and comment and share the thing. Especially like up the thing. So YouTube can put it out there and other people hear me and talk and the video go on surface, you know. So yeah man, just like the button man. Click the like bell. Click the like finger. See? Click the bell, share. And someone else watch out. Pick up on yourself, a lion.